Hi, and welcome back to Wig Studio One. I'm Eileen. Today, Henry Margu, Andie. This color is 10613. If you'll go to the drop-down box below this video, there'll be ordering information there. Everything you need to know will be in the drop-down box. And also, don't forget, join us in our private Facebook group, Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. We have lots of fun things happening there. We have Sell It Sunday, we have live broadcast, we have steals and deals, lots of fun things. I think there's over 24,000 people, so be sure to join us there. Also, if you need to contact Wig Studio One, you can do that easily at support@wigstudio1.com. And during normal business hours, you can live chat with them on the wigstudio1.com website. So please don't hesitate to reach out if you need them in any way. All right, look at this fun short style called Andie from Henry Margu. Just out of the box, throw on and go, ready to wear. Now the specs of this, the bang is 4 inches. Don't you see this bang? The top is 3.5. The sides are 2.5 to 3.5. Same thing with the back, 2.5 to 3.5. It has a 3-inch nape and it weighs 2.25 ounces. Now there's some permatease in here. I feel it running through here and definitely at the nape. But look at this fun style. I'm going to take it out from behind my ears. You could wear this all going forward, one side back, which I think would be adorable, one side forward. Wear it all going forward if you'd like. It has a lace front and a mono part. I'm going to show you that. But this has the slightest wave to it, as you see. So you could really spike this up if you'd like, or smooth it down a little more as well. I think it looks so cute just all the way behind the ears. And then just let this little back be flippy. I have a wide tooth comb. And on these kind of wigs, I sometimes just run them up like that in the back and just let that be a fun, easy to wear style. I just put some water on it. You could put some styling cream in this and really define these curls if you'd like to, which would be nice as well. But I just think some water and mess it up. That's the way I always like to wear my wigs. The messier the better for me. So I'm just going to show you that you could separate this out easily just by adding that little bit of water to it. Let me zoom in and let you look at this lace front. I just wanted you to get a look at how beautiful this lace front is, how well done this is. Just melts right into your head. That is a great job. Let's talk about this color, 10613. This is a light ash blonde with platinum blonde highlights. There's no root here. I'm going to show it to you in some different types of lighting as well. Let's look at the inside of the cap. Now this fit me large. I have a 21.25 inch head circumference and I had to take it in. I'll show you that. But so I think this will stretch up. A 22 could probably easily wear this wig. Lace front, like we talked about, an extended lace front, mono part, open wefted. Now like I said, there is some permatease here. Has closed ear tabs with stays. An extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters. Here's a closer look at 10613. Again, no rooting here. A really pretty blonde color. The coverage on this is really good. You can barely see my bow hair there, and it's right there. So this has excellent coverage on this style. Again, I'm just going to run my hands through it, talk about styling it a little bit. Of course, you know, we can always put it on with a headband. And again, since it has this extended lace front, you could wear it all the way off your face if you'd like. Just pull it out a little on the sides. That always gives it a natural look. And wear it that way if you'd like. I like the ease of this. I like things that are just throw on and go, run your hands through it. There's no right or wrong way. You have that mono part. It's really pretty. I'll make sure you see that. A nice job on this. You can wear this bang down, completely off your face, or just really casual with just a little bit coming down on the front. I like that. I think that looks nice too. So lots of ways that you can wear this style. I think it'd be adorable with a hat. Yeah. Okay guys, that is a look at Henry Margu Andie in the color 10613. Again, check the drop down box for more information. Thanks for joining me, and I'll see you next time.